Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and use Streamlabs multi-stream feature in order to go ahead and stream on multiple platforms at a single time. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch, so let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser you want and search for Streamlabs just like that, and make sure you are logged in into your account through this page right over here. Once you're logged in, I'm going to go ahead and tell you that multi-stream is a paid feature that you have to go ahead and upgrade to Ultra to do it, but I'll just show you how you can set it up. So multi-stream is right over here, as you can see on the left hand side. Click on that, and this is where you can simply go ahead and connect all the platforms that you want to go ahead and use multi-stream with. So as you can see, I've already connected YouTube. You can go ahead and connect Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, Trovo, Twitter, and even Kick at all at one single time. And all you need to do in order to go ahead and stream from these, I just click on these levers that you can turn it on and on your Streamlabs OBS. Simply go ahead into your settings and go to your multi-streaming, and this is where everything will be shown where you want to stream and how you can set it up. So as you can see, it says upgrade to Ultra. If you click on upgrade to Ultra, then click on join Ultra. This is where everything you'll get access to for a price of $27 a month. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.